Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. Gather the original receipt or invoice showing the serial or IMEI and the date of purchase. Apple requires that. Next, try to recall the Apple ID email used on the device and note any associated phone numbers. Once done, record the device serial, IMEI, and model number. These are essential for support. Make sure you can sign into your Apple ID on another device, or prepare to verify identity with official documents when contacting Apple support. Now continue by checking the devices linked to your Apple ID at Apple. Apple.com. If the device appears, try removing it from your account. If you cannot remove it, contact Apple support via chat, phone, or book a Genius Bar appointment. Explain the activation lock issue clearly. Provide the serial or IMEI and upload your proof of purchase and a government ID if requested. Apple will verify ownership and advise next steps. Follow their guidance closely and ask what to expect for service or remote removal. To finish, follow Apple's approved removal or service instructions. They may clear activation lock remotely once ownership is verified. If you purchase the device used, contact the seller and request they erase and remove it via Icloud.com. Sign in Find My Remove. Make sure you perform a full erase and set up the device with your Apple ID afterward. If Apple cannot verify ownership and you suspect theft, make sure to file a police report and provide documentation to Apple as part of any investigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.